here we have a bad tensioner. The two of them, this is Citroen C4 1.6 HDI, two of them. This is the upper one, the one that's gonna be replaced is damaged. It's now falling over the whole surface of the belt, damaging the belt, as you can see from the back. I'll show you the new one. This is the old one. So the coil inside, there's a coil inside here, is damaged, is not serving the purpose and is a bit bended. Is the new one. So as to match them, the new one and the old one. This is how they're looking like. The old one damaged, the new one alright. Then we have the lower one, which looks like this. And for fact, if you're good enough, you can take it out from up without having to take off the wheel and the arch and everything. This is the lower one, which I'm planning to take out now. It's a bit tricky, but as I said, if you take the upper one first, it'll give you space to work and take the lower one. Here we go, and the screw and the lower tensioner. Here it is. It's not damaged, but I think the bearing inside is a bit worn, as you can hear. And we have the new one, which I'll fit to the customer as a good practice, and a new belt just for peace of mind.